acquiring companies with the capabilities in geospatial technology and all, be it sensors or processing capabilities. And do you see a connected technology ecosystem for addressing the digital city as your primary business focus?
Indeed, our digital cities is our major initiative this year, added to our advancement units for design integration and project delivery and asset and network performance. What we especially think for digital cities opportunities is that it's not something that's going to be undertaken by a city as a whole. Even as ambitious as Singapore is, you could never say there's a particular digital twin. There will be many digital twins fit for particular purposes. The LTA would have, even the LTA, for instance, a land would have multiple digital twins fit for various purposes. But they can be part of an ecosystem federated together with information that describes itself and can be digitally aligned and then change synchronized. So our hub, as we describe it in our iTwin cloud service, can help maintain that synchronization across digital twins so that you could have a digital city's entry point for a water department or a streets department or the planning department, for instance. And you're right, we would like to serve them all. And this notion of going to 4D from merely deliverables in design and BIM is the major opportunity not only for us at Bentley Systems, but for infrastructure engineers in the world, for their work to be more relevant, to be the digital DNA in the operational digital twins.
Bentley has been at the forefront of technology innovation, especially in the design and engineering space. And how do you see the innovations taking place around miniaturization of sensors or IoT and AI is empowering your capabilities to address the larger digital space?
Well, we say digital twins have digital context, which represents their reality, digital components, the engineering content that gives the digital twin its veracity, its explanatory power, and then, as I say, needs a digital chronology, this notion of the fidelity over time as changes occur. Part of the digital context would be what can we sense and know. But a lot of what a digital twin should be responsible for is creating and finding the actionable insights. So applying AI and machine learning, as you say, to what can be sensed and what can be imaged. So we show here, for instance, the machine learning from the reality mesh of classifying and recognizing the digital components themselves, which then can be, that enables the capture to be done frequently without needing any, and everything can be automated, and benchmarking across assets, comparable components, and so forth. But yes, context should include the sensors, but we really need to be making conclusions and inferences, and our timeline should be right time for knowing when interventions are appropriate, focusing on, for instance, resilience. If it would rain, we'd like to know are our storm drains clear, but only if there's going to be enough rain that it matters. So getting smarter and connecting together digital twins for these various purposes is exciting, and we look forward to reporting next year on further advancements.